Parking under a tree can leave sticky sap on your car, which looks bad and can damage the paint. If not cleaned, sap can harden and lead to expensive repairs. Here's how to safely remove sap and protect your car's paint. Soapy water is effective to break down the sap without harming the car paint. Wash your car properly with high pressure of warm water. Then mix mild car wash soap with warm water. Apply this solution to the sap-covered area and gently rub it with a soft cloth or sponge. The soap will help break down the sap without harming the paint. Isopropyl alcohol is a versatile and effective sap remover that would not damage your car's finish. Dampen a cloth with alcohol and gently rub the sap until it dissolves. Rinse the area with water and dry it with a clean cloth. Surprisingly, hand sanitizer can serve as a handy sap remover. Apply a small amount of hand sanitizer onto the affected surface of your car. Keep it as for 15 minutes, then rub it gently with the help of soft cloth. The hand sanitizer will help loosen the sap, making it easier to wipe away. There are commercial sap removers that remove sap and grime easily without damaging your car's paint or surfaces, protecting its beauty and value. Goo-Gone Automotive Cleaner is specially formulated for removing tree sap, dirt, tar, bugs, brake dust, bumper stickers and more. Apply Goo-Gone Automotive Spray Gel to stain. Allow it a few minutes for working. Then wipe with a clean cloth. You will get just amazing results by using this effective method. After removing tree sap from your car's surface, it's important to keep some car care tips in mind. After removing sap, apply car wax to restore shine and protect the paint. Wash your car often to prevent sap from hardening and sticking. If you park under trees often, use a cover to protect your car from sap and debris. So by using given methods, tips and recommended product, you can remove tree sap from your car's surface.